Welcome to CoinChanger, your instant platform for effortless cryptocurrency transactions. Today, we're thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking feature that will redefine the way you transfer Tron to PayPal, bank and more. With CoinChanger, we've simplified everything, ensuring a seamless experience for you. Begin by visiting the CoinChanger website, which is linked in the description here. Once you're on CoinChange, you can select your crypto pair, in which you can select your cryptocurrencies which you want to cash out or exchange to another cryptocurrency. After entered the amount you wish to trade, then you should continue and enter your address where you want to receive the money or crypto and a contact email address where you will receive support and the order confirmation. We value your privacy, so rest assured that your information is secure with us. Review your transaction details and within moments, your Tron will be swiftly converted into your PayPal account. It's that quick and efficient. With CoinChanger, there's no need to worry about lengthy verification processes or complicated procedures. We've designed our platform to make your life easier, ensuring that your TRX to PayPal transfers are seamless and easy. CoinChanger is here to empower you on your cryptocurrency exchange journey. Start transferring Tron to PayPal effortlessly today. Thanks for watching, and if you got any question, just write us or comment under this video so we can respond and help you.